Well, here is our first look at Samsung's new 2025 TV range and the new technology that goes with it. This year, the themes are AI, larger screen sizes, and more added convenience to setting up your TV in the home. So we're seeing things like larger TVs. There's a 115-inch TV in here. We're also seeing AI as well. AI enhancing not only the quality of the picture, but also the information and getting information about what's on the screen. And finally, they also are introducing the new wireless One Connect box, which means all your sources can connect wirelessly. You can put that up the back of the room, and all you need to position your TV is a power cord. Now let's go in and take a closer look. Vision AI is playing a huge part in the Samsung range of TVs this year, and that feature, which stems from the Galaxy AI that we saw on their smartphones. The bridges have met, and on TV now, the Vision AI allows you to do things like check who is on screen at the time. You might think, who am I watching here? And you'll ask the TV the question, it'll tell you, oh, that's Nicole Kidman, that's Conan O'Brien. It'll also allow you to have a live translation. Say you've turned up in a foreign country, your hotel, the TV is not in English. It'll also allow you to see a live translation in your preferred language as well. But it'll also recommend similar content and also even divide content that you're watching now into chapters so you can actually skim through to get to the part you want to watch next. That's just a small part of how AI is enhancing the experience. But on the other side of it, AI is also being used to enhance the actual quality of the image that you're watching. Especially when you're doing things like watching sport and watching movies, you're now able to set preferences so that when the TV detects that type of content, it'll present it in the most optimized fashion so you're getting the best result. For the first time, Samsung is introducing their wireless One Connect box. That means all your sources can be plugged into this little box right here, and all you need to worry about at the television is power. So you think about wall mounting your TV, a lot easier now with the wireless One Connect box. All you need is power on the wall, and your sources can connect wirelessly within the room. This can also support up to 8K resolution. So a lot easier to set up your TV, still enjoying the high quality, but with less fuss. The Frame range of TVs has been one of Samsung's most popular in their lifestyle TV lineup. But the Frame has been improved. The Frame Pro now features Neo QLED technology and will be available in sizes up to 85 inches. The current Frame will support the smaller sizes, but the new Neo QLED frames are available for your larger sizes.
So our biggest TV in our TV range this year was 98 inch. So in 2025, we'll be bringing the 115-inch QN90, so Samsung's biggest TV coming to Australia. We're really excited. Australians are loving big TVs, and the bigger the better. Certainly the 75-inch and above, so we're thinking 75-inch, 85-inch, 98-inch and above. That is one of the faster growing segments of the market.
Another big part of Samsung's TV lineup are their lifestyle TVs. Part of that range is the Premier range. Now we've seen them in the past, the Premier short throw projectors. They are coming to Australia, the new Premier 7, which is a short throw 4K projector. But I want to show you the Premier 5. This is a handy full HD short throw projector that can be used close to the wall, but also used as a virtual desktop. So this here is the Premier 5, and you can see it's actually paired to a smartphone, and what it's doing, it's actually projecting a virtual image. And this isn't just to look at, this is actually an interactive image as well, so you can actually play different games. So rather than limiting your content to your device, and it also connects to laptops as well, you can now enjoy your content on a surface like this. So just imagine the educational purposes. Yeah, it's fun playing games, but it's also possible maybe to draw sketches for you using the projector as well. So many uses, not just for your entertainment, which is achievable up against a wall, but also on a desktop like this. The Premier has gone 8K, so you can enjoy that amazing 8K resolution, but also where you position the projector has also changed. So you now have the choice of ceiling mount the projector or placing it down on the entertainment unit. On both occasions though, it's still very close to the wall. The other thing that makes the Premier 8K projector even easier to set up is the new wireless One Connect box. So even though the projector might be on the ceiling or at the front of the room, the Wireless One Connect can attach all of your sources, be located at the back of the room. So it just makes setting up your projector even easier. Another area of the Samsung booth this year is their prototypes. Now, one of them is over my shoulder. It's actually a holographic TV. So when you stand in the right spot, you actually see quite a high quality image. Now it's projected from, it's beamed onto a mirror and then seemingly floats in mid-air. You need to stand in the right spot, but when you are in that sweet spot, it looks amazing.